Only 2 months ago, I reviewed the 2023 Hyundai Sonata. Today we have the 2024 Hyundai Sonata, and this model is completely redesigned inside and out. I'm going to show you guys the exterior, interior, show you all the features, and see if this car is it's a good upgrade. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and like, comment, share for more car content. You have to admit it looks way better than the previous model year. You have LED headlights, daytime running lights. You have your Hyundai emblem right over here. Radar sensor in the bottom. Nice contrast between white and black. 17-inch alloy wheels. You have no turn signal indicator in the mirrors. You also get keyless entry. Gas tank is on the driver's side. Coming onto the back, you also get the same deals that you get on the previous model year. You have your Hyundai insignia right here, and it says Sonata. This is the base model. Through the car, you have one exhaust on the passenger side. You have your shark fin antenna right there. Overall, it's a beautiful car and a very good design option for this new 2024 model. Looks way better than the previous year, and I really like the way this car looks and drives. Beautiful car. Car brand new is going to cost you about $28,000. You also get a 5-year, 60,000 miles basic warranty, which is not bad at all. This is the key, which I am not a fan of, but you have your lock and unlock button, you have remote start, and your panic button, and that's pretty much it. I feel like they could have done a better job with the key, but let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk. To open the trunk, you have a button right here. And as you guys can see, you got plenty of trunk space. You lift up and you have your jack and your spare tire. And that's pretty much it. You also have these levers here so that you can put the seat down so you have more storage space in the car. If you want to close the trunk, you also have this handle here to help you close it. Now let's take a look at the engine bay. Brand new engine with barely 1,000 miles. Right over here we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine making 290 horsepower, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It also makes about 25 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. So it's very fuel efficient. Okay, let's go ahead and close the hood. And let's go take a look at the interior, because you don't only get style changes in the exterior, but also the interior is completely redesigned. This is your door panel. You have a combination of soft materials all throughout. Over here is hard plastic. You have a cup holder, your window switches, they feel very nice and luxurious. This is your door handle. Door seals look pretty good. Nice cloth seats, they feel very comfortable. You have manual adjusters. You have some buttons over here and a blank. Weirdly, there's an empty space right over here. All right, let's take a seat inside. Let's go ahead and start the car. So foot on the brake, press the engine start button. Inside the car, you have this huge steering wheel with 2 paddle shifters on the back. You have the cruise control options on the left and media controls on the right. Also, there's no Hyundai emblem on the steering wheel. You only get this line with 4 dots. That's very strange. You have your light switches on the left and your windshield wipers on the right. 2 huge screens. Right here you have your cluster. This car only has 1,072 miles. The infotainment system is pretty nice and bright. Made it to a 10-speaker sound system that sounds fantastic. You have some more media control options right over here. Hazard lights. You have your AC controls right over here, which is actually touchscreen. Very nice. You have 2 USB Type-C and a 12-volt outlet. No wireless charging. You have your driving modes. If you press the button, you have 3 options. You have Sport, My Drive, and Normal. We always keep it in Sport, of course. Auto hold and camera options. 2 cup holders. This is just an armrest. And you have some more storage space right over here with no USB jacks or anything like that. On the passenger side, let me remove my bag. You have your glove compartment with your manuals and stuff like that. And up here you have your lights. Here's your visors, your sun visors with a light. And that's pretty much it for the interior. All right, let's take a look at the rear seats. In the rear, you have no storage pocket behind the driver's side, but you do have one behind the passenger side. You have 2 USB Type-C outlets. You have an armrest with 2 cup holders. You also have a light. And that's pretty much it. Sitting in the back, I feel very comfortable. And this is the view from the back seat. That's pretty much it. Overall, beautiful car, and I think Hyundai did a nice job redesigning the Hyundai Sonata for 2024. Good job. All right, guys, so we're driving right now this 2024 Hyundai Sonata, and I must say it's a very quiet and smooth ride. So yeah, no complaints there. I'm gonna make a U-turn right here. Stop at the stop sign. Actually, let's make a left. But yeah, it's very quiet. We are driving in sport mode, and even sport mode is not anything crazy. It's very nimble, very smooth. Let's give it a quick acceleration, see how quick she picks up. I mean, it's got 290 horsepower, so it's nothing crazy. But as you guys can see, you know, it's actually a very nice car. I highly recommend it. If you're looking to get a car, a full-size sedan, this is a very good option, especially this 2024 that is completely redesigned. I still don't get why they didn't put the Hyundai logo on the steering wheel. That line is, I don't know what's up with that. Like every other car, they should have put the logo right here. but for some reason they didn't do that. This dual screen setup is very similar to the one that you get in the 2024 Ford Mustang. It is a touchscreen, very responsive. I think it looks very nice. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the interior and the driving of this 2024 Hyundai Sonata. All right guys, so that is it for the 2024 Hyundai Sonata. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more car content. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.